Hello children, today our activity is bird activity. You can use these stickers and paste it.
Penguin.
First, two birds that fly in the sky, and second, two birds that live on earth, and third, two birds that swim on water. So Ashvi, we will start together.
Okay.
Two birds that can fly in the sky.
Bird and pigeon.
Paste it. Then second one is
Done.
ask two birds that live on earth.
Mama.
Yes, paste it. Very good. Two birds that swim on water. Quack quack होता है वो quack quack नहीं.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack,
उठाओ.
quack, quack. Wake. Go wake, go and wake, go and wake, go and wake,
गर्दन की बोल
go
दो.
and wake, go
लो.
and wake.
अब लास्ट बन जाएंगे. लो.
Was friendly called
Penguin.
penguin.
चलो लगाओ.